Hello, my name is Ramanu Sani. I am here to describe the given build week project. Now, the first of all, I will explain the test case of my project. So this is the test plan of our project. Now the table of content, like what we are going to be discuss in the given test plan. Now first I will like to introduce what is my project aims to validate data integrity between the GoRest and API and the admin LTE dashboard. Now then we have the test objective, like we have to perform the CRUD operation, UI components, data consistency, end-to-end test automation, regression testings. What is in our scope, like retrieval, update and deletion through the REST API, authenticate with the barrier token, UI testing, data table operation, file upload functionality, E2E testing, like API creates data, API data out of scope that I can't do, like security penetration, mobile device browsing testing, web application, API under test, automation framework, feature to be tested, create new user, retriever user by ID, update user details, UI features, navigation to modules, data table validation, end-to-end features, cross features not to be tested, cross-browser compatibility, performance benchmarking, strategy, testing labels, testing types, what we will use, functional testings, API testing, file handling testing. Now the test environment, like what we have set the environment, like OA operating system should be Windows 10 or Windows 11, and the browser Chrome latest, programming Java, build tool Maven, UI testing, Selenium WebDriver, and tools and resources like all the Selenium WebDriver, rest assured. And this was the mind map. Before we going to the final automation testing, we will go to through the mind map. Now then we have the test cases. Like we will verify the user with the valid credentials. The users send a post request with the valid name, unique email, Gmail. Then the API return the those 201 as a code. It means that the test case has passed. In the same way, a user exists, verify update users, then we will send the put request. If we get doso, it means pass, verify delete user, it means send delete request. If I get 204, it's mean the data return. In the same way, we are testing the UI testing, verifying data tables, page loads. The precondition is that browser should be open, navigate to the data tables, table loads with row, page loaded, displayed with 10 rows and column. So this was the test cases. End-to-end data integrity, verify data created via API is visible with valid token. Now I would like to the summary report. The summary report that we are already discussed in the test plan, like objective and test scope. So that's all about my project.